we could ride together as a family.
Are you excited?
Okay, start over. This is what happens when my family takes my spot and I'm out of the family. And that's what Dad did. These two just took my spot.
Hello, first of all, this is my bed. So I get to give spots to whoever I want to.
Okay.
And he just came in here and you weren't sitting there, so I told him to sit down.
Okay, then there's no space for me.
There is space.
Where?
Right where you at.
Now here we go again. Hey, look, the chocolate baby, that not wrong, go tell your friend. Yes, I'm putting my family first, just like I should. Protect your life, your mother, watch Belief in Fatherhood.
Welcome back to Belief in Fatherhood. My name is Belief, and today I surprised the kids with our new car.
Show me your hair, baby. Wow.
But hey, look at you.
Oh my, wow. Who did your hair?
Grandma.
Grandma did it?
Yeah.
Wow, your hair's so beautiful.
Yeah. Hey, Dad, can I say something? I don't know why me and my brother didn't get to choose this bed. Booyah.
Want to sleep with Ryan? Why?
I don't know.
So you guys have more space in your room. Does that sound like a good idea?
No.
Yeah. I think Raya's bed is on top of it.
Nobody wants to sleep with Ryan because he's Professor P. Poopy Pants.
You are Professor Poopy Pants! Yeah! I want my own bed. He's saying that because he doesn't want me to You are Professor Poopy Pants.
Okay.
You're my favorite. Let's get night, guys. Let's just go lay down.
Ow.
Where are you? Sleep deep.
It's a lot of people, guys, right?
Watch
Well,
out for your brother.
Belief in Fatherhood. Belief in channel. I'm super proud.
Let me see something. Whoa. Your breath. Go brush your teeth.
Gosh, you love me. Tell Papa I'm your favorite. See? Papa, Mommy's my favorite. Do we look alike?
No.
What you're gonna notice about this episode is that it's a little bit of a throwback. It's from the summertime when we were just kind of at our wits' end and we could not take it anymore as far as being stuck in the house and only having room for 3 children in the car. Not only is that just kind of irresponsible, it's unsafe, and so we went ahead and got a car, but it took a long time to go on this journey. Now, we've been looking for a new car since our car got stolen when Anaya was just born. I think it was April 10th, 2017. I walked outside and
I'm out here. I know we parked our car here, and it's not here. Maybe I'm tripping and I forgot we parked it up here. Whoa, dang. Our car got stolen.
long story short, I documented the whole thing. I went outside, the car was gone.
We don't know where the
We don't know where the car is. Someone took it.
Oh my gosh, the bad guys stole our car.
They took our car.
Yeah, of course. And now, how are we gonna get that car back?
Well, first what we did was we called the police.
Whoa.
Said your vehicle was taken, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
We had to go through police reports and looking for it. Turns out the guy actually swiped Yvette's card because she had her wallet in the car at a local store. We caught the guy on camera. I wrote a diss track about him.
To the person that stole my car today, I hope your favorite goldfish pass away. I hope that every time you start to pray, you stutter.
He was all into meth and all types of stuff. We got the car back and insurance detailed it, and it never really drove the same. It just kind of felt gross, and it still feels gross. and we were just over it. Well, during this time we were gonna get paid soon, so it was kind of like, man, let's just go get a car. We went car shopping, and we kind of visited a lot of really whack places, and I just didn't know how expensive minivans are. To get a reliable minivan with low mileage, you're gonna spend over $20,000. It is just a very expensive thing. But yeah, like, it just was a lot, and I did not like this process at all. But once we got through the process, I got to interrupt my children's iPad time with the new car.
I do not like cameras.
You don't like cameras?
I like cameras because they look so cool.
All right, you ready?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go.
Wait.
Everyone come out. Come on out. Wait. Kids in the front, okay.
Wait, do you guys have your flip-flops?
Everyone get their flip-flops on.
Okay.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Do you guys know what's happening? Wait,
No.
wait, back up.
Back up. I'm not gonna see it.
Okay, wait. Wait. You ready?
Yeah.
Wait, stay. Open up your eyes.
Your eyes so you can see where you're going.
This is our new car.
Okay.
That was anticlimactic.
Totally.
Can we drive? How you looking? You have to press this button. Oh my god. Whoa! Ew, this is a fan?
Yes.
So fan?
Wait, get your feet off my...
One.
Alright, now show them how to do it.
Like this.
Whoa! Wow, that's so cool.
Don't climb your feet on my chair.
Oh,
Hey,
fine.
turn on the car so the AC is on. Show them that feature, or shall I? We have AC,
Okay, we can ride together as a family.
Are you excited?
Of course, yeah.
Let me see what it feels like on the drive.
Yeah.
We could, oh my lord, this is the best. What? We could what? We could like see us. We could see. We could see what? Look at the car.
Take your feet off of the seat.
Hello, look at me. I've been fresh, I've been walking with my savior. Yes, I'm trying to do my best. Guess I'm just a bag of bones, trying to shake up out the flesh. When you see me, never stress. When you see me, you say hello, look at me. I've been fresh, I've been walking with my savior. Yes, I'm trying to do my best. Guess I'm just a bag of bones, trying to shake up out the flesh. When you see me, never stress. When you see me, you say hello, look at me. I've been fresh, I've been walking with my savior. Yes, I'm trying to do my best. And look, I'm just a bag of bones, trying to shake up out the flesh. When you see me, never stress. When you see me, you say hello. Grace and peace, every species. I've been on a quest, and I've been trying to right my wrongs until it ain't none of them left. There's nothing new, the son of the sun, and some of them seem a mess. So when you see a son of a gun, it's really don't need to stress. Every man on a mission, even if he don't know where he going. Never.
So there you have it, the upgrade, the glow up, the hello, I've been fresh little video of the new car. What do you guys think? This is our first minivan, and I'm curious to know what you guys, if you have minivans out there, like what are your best practices? Where do you like to go? What are some things to do? What are some things to keep in a minivan? I don't know. We went with the Honda Odyssey. It's a great car, and we love it so far. So yeah, you will be seeing us driving in this car very soon. If you have not seen it on Yvette's Instagram or anything like that, but you will be seeing us driving this car very soon. We'll do our first like family trip in this car, and road trip in this car, and yeah, also car bars.
You say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello, 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 look at me. I've been fresh. I've been walking with my Savior. Yes, I'm trying